So both are on. When I switch to high, it's only the high beam that's on. Only the left light. Left one's on, fan's going. Right one is not on. Everything's hooked up. I don't know. This is with the original bulb put into the socket there. Plugged into the LED. Nothing. See the brightness of that changes. It's dead. This is an important point, and I forgot to check this. I got this unplugged here. Everything's off. Watch what happens when I turn it on. Low beam, high beam. It's working correctly. So this one's definitely dead, and it is shorting current to the high beam circuit. And again, high beam stays on, low beam toggles off and on.